Yeah, my girl stepping out in the all black. Little bit turn on her feet, don't know how to act. Pulling up to the scene with a top back. Money ain't even a thing, cause we got that. No drama, no drama. Leave it at home for your crazy baby mama.
What's up, YouTube? Thank you so much for tuning in. This is your girl, Caramel Cutie. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I love you. I'm sending you kisses through the camera, kisses through the phone, okay? This week I'm gonna cover a series on the perfect wash and go. Look at this. This is the ending result. I did record my whole process in order to get this result, and this is the perfect, like if I had to do an ideal wash and go for my hair texture, my type 4 kinky curly hair texture, it would be this. Today's video is actually going to be the cleansing part of the series, in which I shampoo, I condition my hair, I deep condition my hair. So if you're looking to get this perfect wash and go that I've got on my head, on my type 4 hair, remember, this is gonna be step 1. All right, so come in my lair.
Okay, y'all, so what I'm doing now, I'm just showing you my hair. That shrinkage is real, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is actually wash out this twist out, and I'm actually gonna use a co-wash today. Sorry if I sound like low on energy. I do not feel good today. But anyways, so I'm just making sure that I get in there. And now what I'm about to do is actually use a stimulating brush. And this is just gonna stimulate my scalp, get those follicles going. And I'm just showing you this curl pattern, yes. And I love the Melanin Hair Care products. I'm using the multi-use softening conditioner, and I left it in there while I washed my face. It's also a great detangling conditioner. And then I'm gonna go in with the Apogee Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. I've never tried this, y'all, and it had me scared, okay? But I was low-key shook because I could see it working.
Hey y'all, I look a hot ass mess. I'm over here looking like Wendy's. Oh my gosh, that's what I look like. I look like Wendy's, like a black Wendy's. But as you can see, y'all, I put some of that Apogee stuff on. I'm about to put a plastic bag on. But look at that. Let me just soak that up some more. Look at that natural curl pattern. Come through, come through. This sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna get back in the shower.
Okay, so now I'm just washing out my Keratin reconstructor, making sure that everything is rinsed out. Showing you guys my curl pattern. It looks so good. Like, my curl pattern is there. It still needs some work, so it's not 100% perfect, but I'm so happy right now. Like, you probably can't see because you can't see my face, but I'm like super giddy. And so I'm going in with the Apogee Curlific. I heard so much about this, and I'm not gonna lie, when I put this on my head, I'm making crazy faces because I start to realize how thick it is, and I'm just praying to God that it'll come out when it's time for me to rinse it out. So I just go ahead and put my hair into an ugly Wendy's twist. So I'm washing it all out. My hair looks healthy. Of course, my hair is not completely cleansed because I use a co-wash, but oh my gosh. Look at that definition. It's more shiny. I love it. And then I'm going in with my Miracle Repair TGIN Deep Conditioner. And I'm just getting this ready to put a plastic bag over. I only had a little bit left, so I did mix it in the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Softening Cream, as well as the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend. And I mixed that in with the TGIN Deep Moisturizer. And y'all, this worked magic. So guys, that was the step 1 of my wash and go process that I did in order to achieve this look. Please keep on watching for the rest of the week to get step 2, which is the styling portion. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Love you. Bye.